So welcome guys to SX channel. Today we'll see how to download a TOR browser in Kali Linux. So let's fire up our terminal with Ctrl Alt T and let's go to the browser. In my it's Brave. I don't know what you have, but it's called the Firefox. So let's open our the browser and here you type TOR download Linux. So here is the link. Let's go to it. Here is the download for Linux. So let's click it. Let's download it in desktop. So it's been downloading and it will take 10 seconds. So let's wait it until it download. Here it's been downloaded. You can see in the desktop. So it's in the form of TOR. You need to extract it. So let's extract here in desktop. So it's extracting here. It's been here extracted. So let's open it. Here you need to give it the permission to execute it. So let's open the terminal here. Let's give the permission by typing sudo chmod. That means sudo change mode +x. And let's type sudo store browser dot desktop. Let's give the password. Okay. So now let's close it and execute. Let's mark it executable.
Hey, what the guys? Wait.
So here you can see the new Windows open up the TOR. Let's connect it. So it's been connecting and see
Up there. Yeah.
it's been connecting. Give it some time. It will take some time.
Don't shift. Four minutes. And then it again. And I think that yeah, but it you know. What is this? Why then? Yeah. And you've got to make command and use using wearing that you have thought you need.
So you can see as it is connected, we have a new screen with the TOR. Let's explore some link of the TOR that have the extension .onion. So it's been connected. So let's go for this. And yeah, here is the link. Let's visit this link. So all the traffics we have been sending with the TOR, it goes with the TOR traffics. As it have a different routes, it goes from one proxy to each other proxy, and similarly other proxy to other proxy, like this it works. So it will take some time. Let's give it some time. You here the ANYONMIOUS TOR hidden services. Okay, let's click it.
Yes.
It's slow because it uses different proxies all over the world to connect to one server. So it takes some time. So we can say it's been opening.
Nuts.
Okay. So we're in the TOR. And like the Google in the search surface web, it's it's like also a search browser. So we can search different types of things. Let's try with the this tab thing use. CH which is the TOR is. So it's been redirected to the onion user. So you can see different types of user definitions of the TOR browser. So for now, this much. You subscribe to SXX for more like this video. Give up likes and keep supporting YouTube.